Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi A3 Saloon S-Line with the 30 TFSI engine and the S-Tronic automatic gearbox. This particular model is finished in the stunning mythos black metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 1 litre petrol engine you get 108 brake horsepower with 200 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in around 10.3 seconds and onto a top speed of 130 miles per hour. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 18-inch 5Y spoke alloy wheels finished in graphite grey with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that black paintwork and tying really nicely with the S-Line styling package. With the rear boot lid open you get 425 litres of boot space, which is perfect for your everyday essentials and weekend away luggage. The interior is finished in twin leather with the contrasting grey stitching, with centre armrests and dual cup holders and rear air vents adding to the rear passenger's maximum comfort. Also fitted to the outer seats are Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. Front we have the leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, as well as the central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your specification using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice controls with mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your adaptive cruise control speed limiter for precious motorway miles per gallon. From the touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist, which brings up the rear camera and front and rear sensors to make parking all the easier, and for those extra tight spaces you can use the Park Assist. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. If you do like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.